Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about DRST command, clear data command. How we can use the DRST command in XINJE PLC. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my XC Pro tool and here we will create a new program. Go to the file section and just click it on new project. In previous lectures already I explained, but now I will again make to be changes. So click it on the no. If you like to be save the project, you can click it on yes, otherwise you can click it no. And which model you have now, that you can select it from here. This is the various models, this you can see and you can select it. I have this model XC242, that I will select it, and here this window will be appear. Just for an example, if we are using some data registers in the PLC, so when some values we like to be store, means retain, and some values we like to be reset. So how we can do? For an example, I take one input memory address LDM100, and when I execute this one, and after I like to move some data in other data registers. For example, move command we will use, just type move and any data register you can choose, D20 for example, and that data register I like to move in the D40 and click enter. And maybe this data more many times if you like to be move, so also you can type it here, move command again, and D20 and D50 for example, and one more if data you like to be again moved into be type move and D20 and D70 you can move, or which data register you using in your logic. And after that command will be works, and where this command you can find, just go into the edit section and sorry, not in the view section, and go into the instruction help window, and here you can use this one. You can see this is clear data, means DRST command. So how we will be type? We will type it here LDM102 for example. Internal memory bit can choose, also you can external memory use, but I am using this internal memory, that's nothing issue. And so after we like type only DRST, that's when you type, and after which data you like to be remove the value for example, and like to reset, for example D70, D50, D40, which you like to be remove, you can type it here. For example D70 I will make it reset and click enter, and this program we will be download into the PLC, and let's check the in monitor system. So make it run the PLC, and now I will make it the on, for example M100, and I will type some data at the D20, for example 34 random value, and you type, and this value you can see this all value moves into the all data registers, moves also in D40, moves and so also into D50, D70. So now we decided only to data reset only D70. So when I stop this execution, and again when I make it on this M102, you can see this is the D70 is now value is removed, but other D50 and D40 is value still have here. Why not remove? Because of we decided use this DRST command, means D70 have to be remove the value, this reset the value means. And if you like to be other value also like to be removed, so very simple, just make it line it here, and here you can write DRST, okay, D50 also, and D50. And if you like to one more row here is make, here you can make DRST and D40 also we make it reset. So download this program again into the PLC and you can make it the reset this all data D70, 50 and 40 all will be removed. Execute the PLC and type some data at the D20, for example 345, any random value when you type, this is in the D20. Okay, and when make it execution M100, so this data moves into the D40, 50 and 70 and execution stop, and now your data is ready at the D50, D70, D40. And as I give the signal at the M102, you can see all data is now reset. D40 also reset, 50, 70, right? And if I remove the signal also, and but this value is now ready at on the D20. As you give the execution, make it on, and this data will be moves into the next D40, 50 and D70. And one time only just with one click you make it on and you can reset this all data. So this way you can use this one, the reset command in the XINJE PLC. And hope guys you will be understand about this DRST command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.